A former royal palace, also known as the King Tofa's Palace, is now called Musi Homer. Located in Porto Novo, Benin Republic.
I done you a introduction.
Okay.
So my name is Vincent, the guide of this museum.
Okay.
So we have 25 kings who lives in this palace from 1688 to 1976. So at 1976, when the last king died, no more king. Why? Because the son of the last king, they begin to fight. When they begin to fight, they abandon the palace for many years. So the government of Benin decided to transform this palace to the museum.
Okay.
So opened at the Public Act February 5, 1988, to become a museum.
Okay.
So it is more a site museum than collection museum. We have different courts inside, 7 courts to visit. It is resumed by the labyrinth, the different courts.
Okay. Hi.
Here is the court of the queen. The queen. Every 21 days, they choose 2.
Okay.
To come from the private court of the king in town to come here to serve the king by 21 days. The queen mother chose 2, another 2 to come to serve the king here. So this atrium served the queen to bath.
Okay.
This door is the original by the door you see in the first center. It's original here.
Okay.
So we have the name of, on this board, the name of the 25 kings. The founder is this Teagmani, his name, who come one for Alada one time in Benin to come here to found this village.
Okay.
And she said the descendant. And when first Tofa take the throne,
Okay.
he signed one paper with the Frenchman.
Okay.
And she said the king who succeeded by Tofa is not a true king, is superior chief.
Okay.
By colonization. And we have 6
Okay.
superior chief.
Okay. Okay.
Here is the waiting corridor. Before being received, a visitor would wait in this corridor from where the king was able to judge his sincerity, transfer the fetus contained in this corridor.
Okay. Okay.
It is today in the new technology we have a camera.
Camera,
yes,
yeah. Okay. Yes. But that was old technology.
Yes.
Nice.
Every Wednesdays, the king and the government take a meeting here.
Okay.
Every Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Is taking meeting here. It is a meeting place.
Okay.
Eligibility for protection.
Okay.
This sofa served the King Tofa, the last King Tofa, 100 years. Here is the bedroom of the King Tofa. One friend French realized this statue in bronze by the King Tofa.
This is King Tofa?
Yes.
Okay.
At 1899.
1899.
Yeah. So we have the picture of the 6 superior chief.
Wow, wow, wow. This is history.
Yes.
Wow.
This tomb is for Tofa, so it's symbolic. It's a symbolic force.
So is anyone buried here?
It's not a true bride.
It's not a true. Okay,
yes, yes.
okay.
Symbolic.
Just symbolic.
Yes, symbolic.
Okay.
Here is the dining room where the king take the meals. So we have the game of the king.
Oh,
So we cannot win the king here.
really?
Yes.
Even if you know how to play better than the king, you let the king. Okay.
So the king is no died, he's traveled.
Okay.
When the king died, we cannot say the king died.
Okay.
The king traveled.
Traveled. Okay.
When the king take food, you cannot take the king take the meals. We need blessing the food.
Okay. Blessing the food.
Yes.
Okay.
Adore.
Okay.
Yes.
So when the king is eating, you don't say he's eating. You
Yes.
say he's blessing the
Yes.
food.
Yes.
Okay.
Here we have the court of the relaxation of the king.
Yeah.
Relaxation court. Relaxation. So we have a kitchen here where they cook a pepper of the king.
Okay.
And this object serve for to grind the maize, to cook the food of the king. And this is light. They put a palm oil and the cloves and the matches
To light it up.
Yes. The room of the power room of the king.
Okay.
Every morning, whenever the king wake up, he come here to take power.
Just like praying.
Yes,
Okay.
here to go to fight.
What is it called? What's the name?
It's Grigri.
Grigri.
Yes, African magic.
African magic.
Yes.
Voodoo.
Yes, Vodun. Voilà.
Voodoo.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the private court of the king. Private court.
Private court.
Yes, particular court.
Okay.
And here the king take a bath here, so we cannot
See.
say the king take bath. The king fresh the body.
Only the wife see.
Yes.
Okay.
This grave is for father of King Tofa.
Okay.
His name is Desoji.
This one symbolic also?
No.
Real tomb.
Yes.
What about Assassin? What is that?
It is he represent the ancestors. We call a sign.
Okay.
So we are saying when the one person die here, you cannot say the person is died. He traveled.
Okay.
So after years, they represent the
person.
Yes, by
Okay.
this and
The
put,
ancestor.
Yeah, and put sacrifice.
Okay.
Here is the court of Queen Mother. Queen Mother is the aunt of the king, chosen by oracle. It's here.
Is he a virgin? The
Yes.
Queen Mother, is he a virgin?
It is a aunt or cousin of the king, chosen by oracle. Is menopause.
Okay, menopause.
Yes, menopause. Paternal aunt
Okay.
or paternal cousin.
Okay.
For security of the king, it is the Queen Mother who grown the tobacco for the king to smoke.
Okay.
This here.
Because of trust.
Yes. The court cat for the Queen Mother is
It's
called
called
Taino.
Taina.
She is
She's
chosen-
chosen from
yes.
among his paternal aunts and cousins after the menopause by the oracle to help the king. She is the second only to the king in palace. She protects the royal treasure and deals with the administration of domestic life of place and community. Okay.
It goes in the job. The most important ceremony.
The most important ceremony of the palace is the one which takes place every 10 years to honor the royal ancestors. It is the royal gozin. It consists of renewing the lustral water contained in the gozin, that's jug, and used during the rituals to the ancestors. Okay, that's the jugs here.
Yes.
Okay,
10 years.
10
They
years.
choose
After
to-
every 10
10
years. Okay.
They choose 10 young girls.
Virgin.
Yes, virgin. Here is initiation cut.
Initiation course.
Yes, for the new king.
Okay, okay.
Yes, he come here to take training by 27 days.
Wow.
After 27 days, he go out to see the people, to present to the people.
Okay, during the 27 days, he will not go out. He will just stay here.
Yes.
No go out,
Yes.
just stay here.
Yes. To take meditation.
Okay. To get prepared.
Yes. So we have here a dark room where the king takes suicide if he lost the war.
Okay.
He killed himself.
Wow. Seriously?
Yes.
Why would the king want to kill himself?
By poison or suicide or
Okay.
poignard.
Yeah, I know, understand. Like, why would he want to kill himself?
If he go to war and he don't win,
Win. Okay,
he
okay.
come here, he takes suicide.
Okay, okay. Chambre noire.
Yes.
Chambre noire.
Chambre noire.
Chambre noire.
Black room.
Okay, black room.
Yes.
We cannot see it.
Ah no, it's intense.
Okay. Oh, wow.
The court of the people,
Wow, wow.
where the new king present to the people. Today is transformed by the spectacle court, ceremony court.
Okay.
So if you want to take picture, you can take here.
From here now.
Yes.
Okay.
It is the court of the people. Where the new king present to the people.
Wow, guys, take a look at this place. This is beautiful. Wow, history has a lot for us. History, like they say, the man without a history is lost. Like, I'm getting so much inspiration from all these things I'm seeing here. Like, African has started way back before the colonialism. Like, this is so awesome. All right, you can continue.
Okay.
Wow.
So last time, the new king go on this royal tribune to face the Pope here.
Okay.
The Pope installed here.
Okay, the people staying here.
Yes, here.
Okay. So this is where his throne is,
Yes.
to address the people.
Yes. The only king stand up and say, "I'm your new king," and the people clap to the new king.
Okay.
And he dancing, he eating money at night, and at night the king go in the court of the initiation to continue the training, and the people go out by this.
This door.
Yes. this
Okay.
door. And today this court is transformed by the court of the spectacle ceremony. So you have this podium.
For entertainment.
Yes. for entertainment.
Wow, lovely.
We have a mini market here.
Okay.
I waiting a few minutes and you can visit.
Okay. Yeah, bonjour. Oh. Okay.
Vous avez pris une photo, vous avez acheté quelque chose.
So, how much you sell? How much is this one?
Je ne connais pas anglais.
He doesn't understand English, so I think he's good with French. This one is how much?
10 000. 10 000. 10 000.
10,000.
Yeah.
10,000 francs.
Oh, 10,000 francs. Wow, that's expensive. Wow, but it's nice. So he made all these clothes from this.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. I think I'll come back. Not today. I like this one, but I'll come back next time to get this one. Nice, very nice, nice. Thank you for your time.
So guys, check out these crafts here. I'm looking to get something like this. So now how much?
1,000.
Wow. So what about this one, the bracelet? Also 1,000.
No, 2,500 for this, 2,500 for these three.
500. I think same thing with this one, right?
Yes. These
Three 500, yeah.
Yes,
Okay, I think I'm going to have give me this one. And said it's 3, right?
three, yes.
3 500. And these 2. I think it's too tight. Okay, nice. I think I'll go with this. So guys, I'm good. See me chilling with my hand bangles. That's some cool shit right there. So I'm gonna put them. All right.
Okay.
I think I'm good. Wow. So this market is inside. It's actually inside the palace.
Here is the justice court.
Justice thoughts.
Yes.
Okay.
Tribunal.
Oh, tribunal.
When the
Okay.
king judge one person, another person here, the people sit here, wait here
Okay.
to listen the verdict.
So what about this tree? Has it been long? Is there
Yes, to 200 years.
200 years?
Yes.
Interesting.
Sacred drums.
Sacred drum.
When a old person dies, it is these drums it plays. Here is a prison.
Prison.
Yes.
Okay. The palace prison.
Yes. Okay, Gungun.
Ogugu, be careful. Now express you they cross. That's the song we used to sing in
Messenger
Nigeria.
of the king, messenger.
Messenger. Okay. Wow.
Here is a young servant.
Okay.
A young servant. He cleaned the palace this object.
With broom.
Yes, ballet in French.
Okay. Ballet in French.
So his head represent the moon calendar.
Okay.
When the moon come, the king rise one party and count day, weeks, years. After finish the years, she come here to rise another party.
Okay.
So and see, so and so.
So the 7th dress like this, no clothes, just
Yes, it is the 7th
okay.
in the
7th
palace.
In the palace.
Yes.
Okay.
When we have a newborn who naissance by malformation, here is divinity. And when he died, he take the spirit to go in the water. He is the water king. So the family organize ceremony to divinity and vener. Divinis and vener. So this is god of thunder.
God of thunder. Okay.
He has access
Axe.
to just.
Yeah, I went to the there's a palace. I went there. I saw this.
Yes,
Also,
yes,
okay.
yes. Django
Django.
in Yoruba.
The axe.
Yes.
Django.
No, in Yoruba is Django. Name
Okay.
is Django.
Django, okay.
French is tonnerre.
Thunder.
Tonnerre.
Okay.
English is thunder.
God of
God of thunder.
Okay.
And this is fire.
Okay.
Yes. It is Hebioso in Gun. Hebioso.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
The name of 25 kings.
Kings.
In phonetic Gun.
What language is that?
Nangwe Gun.
Gun.
Nangwe of Porto Novo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This highway is a salut. A great.
A greeting.
Yes.
Okay. Hawe.
Yes. Great.
Okay. Like welcome.
Yes.
Oh,
So I
nice.
finished the visit.
All right, thank you so much for your time. That was a very awesome tour. It's a very nice tour.
So
Like,
my English is small.
no, I understood everything you said. Your English wasn't that bad.
agree to you.
Thank you so much for your time. It's a pleasure.
Okay.
I really learned a lot of history right now.
I have the object if you want to see the object where you pay, and for this
Okay.
for this object, and for
You sell it?
yes, if you want.
Let me see then.
I'm Zangwe Topanto.
Because I'm not prepared.
Oh, dancing.
Oh, you dance also?
Yes, Zangwe.
Oh.
You know.